In today's video, we are going to be talking about my tips for taking the best e-commerce photos for your business. My name's Mary from Sewing for Madison. My passion is crafting and helping others learn how fun and easy it can be. Photos can either make or break your shop. One easy way to boost your sales is to have great photos. Today, I'm going to show you how I take my photos using a photo light box and a selfie ring light. There are a million articles on taking professional photos for e-commerce. Most of them talk about using the best light of the day by a window to take their photos. Well, that doesn't really work out for me. I live in an area where the weather's not so great and I simply can't capture that best light of the day. Let's head on back to my photography area and I'll show you how I take my photos. In this room, there are no windows, so I prefer to use a lighted photo box. This is a large box. It's 24 by 24 inches. It came with several solid color backdrops, but I primarily use this white one or one of my textured backdrops. Depending on what I am photographing, I may use this 10-inch selfie ring light in addition to the lighting in my photo box. I have two options for my cameras. I can use my cell phone or my Canon M50. Most of the time I prefer to use my cell phone. It has a great camera and I can easily do my photo editing right on the screen and then upload them to Etsy through the Etsy Sellers app. Let's get ready to start taking some pictures. I'm going to use one of my textured backdrops because I'm photographing one of my handmade items. My rule of thumb is if it's a craft supply item, I use a white backdrop. But if it's a handmade item, I like to use a textured backdrop. Using a textured backdrop really helps your item pop and stand out. To make this easy, I'm going to use masking tape to hold the corners of my textured backdrop up right over top of my white one. Once you have your backdrop set, place your item towards the back of your box and adjust if needed. You will want to place it in a way that will allow you to take several different angled shots. I'm going to use this light ring to give my item a little bit more upfront lighting. Here in the photos, you can see the contrast between using it and not using it.
Go.
When taking your photos, you really want to have 6 to 8 shots. Some e-commerce platforms allow you to also upload a short 5 to 15 second video clip. I highly recommend this and you can shoot this video during your photo shoot. Let's talk about the photography accessories that we use today. This photo box here has a hole on the top of the unit to allow you to take angled photos downward. It also has 3 holes on the front which also give you a nice angle. It also has a light dimmer on it so you can adjust the light from dim to full on. The photo box can be folded down flat and easily stored. It's just Velcroed together. You can find this box on Amazon for around $100. They do have a smaller size as well. This selfie ring here you can find on Amazon as well. It's under 30 bucks. It comes with a tripod, a cell phone holder, a remote, and a few other accessories. The light itself adjusts to 3 different color tones, giving it a great variety. I hope you learned something new today about taking photographs for your e-commerce shops. If you have any tips or tricks on photography, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button and you subscribe to my channel for more tips, tricks, and product demos. Until next time, happy crafting!